Hello, and welcome to the Mortgage Porter Weekly. We were off yesterday for Memorial Day, so I hope you had a nice weekend. I'm Rhonda Porter, a mortgage advisor in the greater Seattle area, and this is your update for the week of May 25th, 2026. Here's a quick look at last week's highlights. Housing starts fell nearly 3% in April, mostly from slower single-family construction, but building permits rose 5.8%, led by multifamily projects, which can signal more activity ahead. Pending home sales rose 1.4% in April, the third straight monthly increase, and are up 3.2% year over year. Buyers are still active despite affordability challenges. The latest Fed meeting minutes showed growing disagreement among policymakers, some favoring cuts if conditions soften, while a majority said hikes could be on the table if inflation stays above 2%. And on the geopolitical side, there were weekend hopes for a peace deal with Iran, but things remain uncertain after the U.S. defensive strikes in the Strait of Hormuz. Oil prices and that situation will continue to influence mortgage rates, and for now, markets are cautiously hopeful. Now let's talk mortgage rates. According to Optimal Blue Index, the average 30-year fixed rate as of Friday, May 22nd, was 6.507%. A couple of important reminders is that the Optimal Blue Index reflects data from roughly 35% of mortgage transactions or lenders that use their platform for locking. So it's a solid benchmark, but it's not the full market. And you also can't lock in Friday's rate today. And a lot will depend on your credit scores, loan to value ratio, loan type, and if the rate is priced with points or no points. There's a lot of factors that go into a situation for pricing a mortgage rate. So if you'd like to know where rates are for your personal scenario and current rates, more importantly, please reach out to me. I am happy to help you with it. On the economic calendar this week, even though it's a short week, it's pretty packed. Tuesday, today, brings the Case-Shiller and FA home price reports along with consumer confidence. Wednesday has the ADP weekly employment. Thursday is a big one with PCE, GDP, jobless claims, durable goods, and new home sales. And then on Friday, we wrap it up with the International Trade and Goods Report. That all said, all of these will take the back seat likely to developments around Iran and oil prices, which markets are watching very closely. As of 10:30 this morning Pacific time, mortgage-backed securities are improved slightly, which is a positive sign for mortgage rates. The improvement appears to be tied to market optimism around the potential peace agreement with Iran, so let's hope that this gets resolved soon. This week, I want to highlight our home equity line of credit designed specifically for seniors here in Washington. You need to be 62 years or older and have built up equity in your home. And here are some other features that make it unique, that the rate is fixed at the time that you draw funds, so you know exactly what you're getting when you access your home equity. So there's no surprises or variable interest rate like most home equity lines of credit. During the 10-year draw period, you make interest-only payments, which helps keep your monthly obligation lower and gives you more flexibility with your monthly cash flow. You can make payments towards the principal without penalties. And as long as the senior lives in their home as a primary residence, there's no balloon payment, which is pretty amazing. It is a thoughtful program designed around seniors, and it can be a great alternative to a reverse mortgage. So if you'd like more information, you can visit my blog or reach out to me. I'm happy to talk you through this. Thank you so much for watching this week's Mortgage Porter Weekly. If you have questions about your specific situation, whether you're buying, refinancing, exploring your equity options, or just trying to figure out where to start, I'd love to hear from you. Visit me at mortgageporter.com or reach out to me directly. I'm always happy to help. Take care. Have a great week. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.